Hi everyone. Today we're reviewing 4UVIZE PKR2APP, a platform that's been circulating lately with big promises of making money fast. But is it actually legit, or just another scam? Let's get into it. Make sure to watch till the end, there's something you won't want to miss. At first glance, 4UVIZE PKR2APP promotes itself as a money-earning app, asking users to deposit cash and complete simple tasks for rewards. But here's the issue. Many users report zero returns after investing. The platform often vanishes without warning, with no proper contact info or customer support. That's a big red flag. Another sign is fake testimonials and cloned websites. The design and claims mimic other known scam sites, which shows there's a pattern here. Plus there's no licensing, no official business address, and no verifiable company background. So what's the final verdict? Despite the tempting ads and promises, 4UVIZE PKR2APP appears to be a scam. No transparency, no proof of payouts, and lots of risk for anyone putting in money. If you're serious about online earnings, always research first, and avoid platforms that sound too good to be true.